credit my art the way I used to credit you, because I do so my style sicker than a nasal flu. Young dreamer, let him tell you to not play with you. Haters are the devil, cause I know that you can be fatal to go and kill negativity by working towards a dream. Only man endorsing me, have a gas of course to me. They're no longer forcibly forced to please, heat my lips more accordingly. It can be confident plausibly, must be definite, let the divine intervene. But my drive ain't heaven sent, weaker at the knees, but you don't see me begging yet. I spend hours on end behind the mic and scream, record the track and my life is seen, brighter gleams, and as I write these things it kind of rings. Cause I heard him say that nothing's ever promised tomorrow today. Cause I heard him say that nothing's ever promised tomorrow today. We'll find a way.
Nothing lasts forever but the honest babe. It hurts but it may be the only way.
Well, I guess I'm in the position to sort of motivate. The power knows faith, the amount I hold is great. I decided I either know my destiny or I know my fate. So I decided to go hard and not to be whole. In my 70s all alone in my front lawn, thinking where I could have gone, making rap songs. Cause I know people that have regret, blaming on others cause they ain't cracking yet. My cousin could have played pro rugby, but he says life got in the way. And what I jot in the page is what I got in my frame. He said when people talk to talented musicians better be talking my name, and I'ma just start running and be on the chase. Even though I heard him say that nothing's ever promised tomorrow today. Even though I heard him say that nothing's ever promised tomorrow today. We'll find a way.
Nothing lasts forever but the honest babe. It hurts but it may be the only way.
With every worthless word we get more far away.
Nothing's ever promised tomorrow today. Nothing lasts forever but the honest babe. It hurts but it may be the only way.
Are the best things in life free? Well, it might not, it might be. According to those around me, it's highly unlikely. Does that mean we gotta pay for life's nice things? Double entendre to whichever way give you the glass. Labored away with my rhyme and I can finally see its fruits at last. You'll find something in your life that make you realize you were lost, or make you realize you never needed it in the past. That was rapping for me, it can be different to you. I feel a whole lot of people just dismissing this truth. Logic, how can sky be the limit if there's footprints on the moon? So I deliver to you these verses in high hopes. You may consider what you dream, 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 consider what you dream. And even though you may have ambition and work ethic, you can make it reality.